Well, if COVID-19 found its way into our jails, it wouldn't just impact inmates. It can impact correctional officers and court workers. That's why prosecutors and law enforcement around the country working to cut down on the number of people in custody. New at 6, reporter Blake Stevens taking a look at these efforts in Knox County.
A lot of our world is on hold right now, including things like trials and certain hearings. But the wheels of justice are still turning in Knox County. The coronavirus threat causing big changes in our local legal system. District Attorney General Sharm Allen says one change is deciding who goes to jail.
I think law enforcement is doing a really good job of only arresting those that actually need to be arrested. They are citing, using citations whenever that option is available. So we're not bringing folks into the jail that we don't need to.
The general is referring to nonviolent, low-level crimes. Felonies are not citable offenses.
We're all making significant changes to make sure that we are really only keeping the worst of the worst, the violent offenders, in custody at this point, and trying to be very mindful of the numbers that we have in custody.
Knox County Sheriff Tom Spangler taking the risk of his staff and inmates seriously.
Every time somebody's walking around within that facility, somebody's either spraying some sort of disinfectant or anything like that, so it's constantly being wiped down. What our fear is if we have somebody that's brought in that brings it in, and that's why we closely monitor those people if they're being brought in to be arrested.
General Allen is also working to get the number of people already in jail down. One way this is achieved is through pretrial release. Knox County has released more than 1,500 inmates from jail this way in the last year. The program requires they keep in touch with a pretrial officer instead of paying cash and not having to check in at all. I'm told factors like flight risk, criminal history, and severity of charges are considered before an inmate is put on pretrial release. In Knoxville tonight, Blake Stevens, WATE 6 on your side.
All right, Blake, thank you. And while the Tennessee Supreme Court prohibits most in-person court proceedings during this pandemic, there are some exceptions, such as pleas and preliminary hearings. General Allen says some of this is now being done through video to keep with social distancing.